example two, looking at Facebook, what I do have pulled up here on my chart, and this strategy is very, very simple. It's, basically trading the 20 period moving average using candlesticks and price action. Very, very simple. The hardest part about trading is realistically not picking stocks to trade. It's essentially not even, where to enter stocks, but more so of how to manage your risk when a trade does move against you. The biggest part of trading is not counting your P&L to the, on your gains. It's how to manage your risk when the trade moves against you or when the trade doesn't work out. Because all in all, every single trader, I don't care who you are as a trader, I don't care how long you've been trading, whether you've been trading for 1 month or 1 year, whether you've been trading for 1 day or 20 years. Every single trader loses. If you've ever come across a trader who says that they do not lose, they're full of shit. And if you ever come across a trader who says that they win more than they lose, that's possible, but they also need to identify that they do lose as well. So a lot of times, especially on social media, you come across a lot of people that all they show you is winning trades after winning trades after winning trades, and big profit and losses. It's like, you kind of think back to yourself and you say, like, do these people ever have losing trades? Because every time I enter a trade, it seems like the trade is always working against me. What am I doing wrong? What are they doing right? And the sad truth is that every trader has losing trades. I probably lose 40 to 50% of my trades. However, when I do lose on my scalps, I'm only losing 1 bar. And when I win on my scalps, I'm winning 2, 3, 4, 5 bars. So over time, those wins at 40 to 50 to 60% win rate definitely compound a lot larger than your losing trades. So just getting into this trade here, I want to give you guys kind of a quick example of how we could have played Facebook. You can see here we have a 20 period moving average reclaim at 8:30 a.m. So if I draw a trend line here at 8:30 a.m., Facebook reclaims the 20 period moving average. So that if you follow me, that how I play the reclaim of the 20 period moving averages, I look for the reclaim and then I look for a confirmation of that reclaim, meaning I am looking for price action to take out the top of that candle that reclaimed the 20 period moving average. Where would my stop be? If you guys have been following my videos, you know that I lose no more than 1 bar, whether that trade works in my favor or whether that trade goes against me. Losing that 1 bar would set my stop loss here at $346.95. I would be entering this trade at $300.48. That is giving myself just about over $1 worth of risk. Some of you guys may be thinking that's a lot of risk to put on, but we're also not trading a $10, $15, $20 stock. We're trading a $352 stock. We are using the 5-minute time frame. There is going to be some risk in that trade. And when we look at this, we're only losing 1 bar. So we're not going to be losing 2 bars. We're not going to be losing 3 bars. We're not going to be giving up 4, 5, 6 points waiting around for the stock to come back. We're only going to lose 1 bar. And if this trade goes in our favor, then we're going to catch more than 1 bar. So in this area, or in this example, $348 is our confirmation price. We're looking for a following candle to take out that price action. We get that on the next candle here, and we get 1, 2, 3 pushes higher. Anytime I like to take these trades, I'm looking for 2 to 3 pushes higher. If we would have taken profits here on the 3rd push higher, that price was $351.07. You can see here in a matter of 5, 10, 15 minutes, that if you would have played this particular method using the 20 period moving average, using a reclaim of the 20 period moving average, as well as a confirmation, that in 15 minutes, you would have made 3 points on this individual trade. Now, if you trade a 100 share lots and you just made, 3 points 4 points, you made $300-$400. If you're 1,000 lot share trader, you would have made anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000 on this particular move. If you trade 20 shares, then you would have made, you know, $60 to $80, $90, depending on when you would have scaled out, whether that been at the second bar or the third bar. Obviously, if you're trading options, those options contracts would have moved 40, 50, 60% in that time frame, depending on if you were playing in the money, at the money, or a little bit out of the money. We know that when I like to trade options, I definitely like to play in the money or right at the money, especially if I'm scalping. I do not like to play out of the money. It's just not worth it. These things can move against you and your premium can start to get eaten up very, very fast. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick example using the 20 period moving average, using a reclaim and confirmation of that price action of the 20 period moving average, and just taking profits 2 to 3 bars higher using 1 bar as our stop. Guys, I hope that helps. Please do me a favor, like this video, comment, subscribe, share. Also join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. I also do have a website with a full, you know, trading course showing you guys how I use a lot of other methods and, you know, really good tricks and like a lot of good information in there. Okay, so it's 21 videos. I think it comes out to about 2.5 hours worth of content. I also have a watch list, daily watch list, where I kind of go over stocks that I am looking to trade for that session or that week, and I kind of update those live on a private channel on my free Discord. So if you want that, you can definitely check out my website down in the description box below. But until next time, I will see everybody on the next video.